Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to hair tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to
Hello lovelies, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make clove and how to use clove for massive hair growth. So we are going to use it to rinse our hair. So clove are dry buds or flower of the evergreen clove tree. Clove is used to enhance the flavor of food and to benefit hair healthy and skin. Clove is rich in antiseptic and microbial and fungal and antiviral. So clove contains eugenol, which promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. This compound contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for your scalp. Eugenol also has certain androgenic properties. This slows down effects of androgens of your hair follicles, boosting hair growth in people suffering from androgenic alopecia. So you can actually purchase clove in Indian shops or herbs shops or spice shops around your area. So the eugenol also in clove helps promote blood flow to the scalp, increasing nutrient support. It treats dandruff. Dandruff is a mild skin condition that causes flakiness on the scalp. It's an extremely common condition and usually accompanied by itchy and dryness. So we have put 50 grams of our clove and then we are going to add in 150 grams of our water and we're going to let it sit in the water for 7 days. So dandruff is an extremely condition and usually accompanied by itchy and dryness. So there can be many causes for dandruff buildup in the scalp, including dry skin, fungal infection, and excess oil production. Clove contains powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties that can help get rid of dandruff in a short time. Clove will also prevent premature graying. Premature graying is the effect of aging. However, teens and unhealthy ancestry are leading to premature graying of hair in middle-aged or even young people. So clove can help prevent this condition due to its high eugenol content. So it's been 7 days of infusing. That is how it looks like. It's highly concentrated. So eugenol has antioxidant properties that can protect your hair shaft and follicles from oxidation damage. It also increases pigmentation levels that give you hair a natural color. Clove will also curb hair loss. Hair loss is one of the most common hair-related problems in the world. Almost 50% of global population is suffering from excessive hair loss. So when you lose hair much more faster than your scalp can grow, then it can result in hair thinning, receding hairline, and bald patches. Environmental pollutants, genetics, of course, and poor diet and hair products which contains harsh chemicals all contribute to this phenomena. So like now I'm pouring our clove concentrated solution on our hair, as you can see. Of course, I didn't want to do it in the bathroom because of certain factors, Yes, so I had to do it just like in this way in my small studio. Yes, so clove also will help prevent excessive hair loss by strengthening your hair shaft and promoting growth of new hair. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed and give this video a like. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends. Share this video to your friends, families, and groups whom you think they can benefit from this video. So like you can use this rinse like once per week or every 2 weeks, depending on your preference and how often you want to use it. So at this point, like it's dripping actually at this point. So we are going to use a t-shirt. So a t-shirt is very gentle, it won't strip moisture from your hair. Yes, so we are going to leave it on just for a few minutes so that our hair stops dripping. Of course, there will be more moisture in our hair. Yes, so comment in the section below, friends, if you have ever used clove for growing your natural hair. So, like, of course, I'm in a challenge of 6 months where I've been doing, twist, yes, without added hair. So now we are going to seal in the moisture. So this is a very important step. You have to seal in that moisture so that your hair is so moisturized, so that your hair, like, I will retain some moisture, and moisture actually will prevent damage, or your hair from breaking. So actually I'm using peppermint oil, so I'll link the video on how we made peppermint oil, and I'm also going to link other videos which are helpful and very informative on growing out your natural hair. Of course, like, I embarked on a challenge of twist to improve my hair length, so I've been doing mini twist for 5 months now. So our challenge is ending in June. Will clock actually 6 months. 6 months. So I'm going to link other videos which we have done. Yes, friends. So, like, of course, prayer has been one of my priority, because the Bible says, without me you cannot do anything, and God knows the number of hair on your crown. Yes, so our crown is beautiful. You need to embrace, love your hair in whatever state it is. It is so beautiful, because whatever God made at the end, like, He pronounced it to be very, very good. Yes. So subscribe to our channel, friends. If you haven't, give this video a like. Yes, so, like, I'm moisturizing in sections. I love doing this in sections because it will help us, to distribute the product we are using to every hair strands. So once I'm done, I'm braiding that section. Of course, I did like 3 sections. So now I'm going in with some more oil on our edges, and now I'm done. Like, my hair is so soft, friends. Yes, I love this treatment. So I'll be using clove in this way. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.